Unboxing iPhone 17 Pro. Let's do. Inside the box, power charger, and nothing else. I'm using the screen protector, the case. I like this one because it's has like a matte finish, so on a bright day, sunny day, it's just has this nice, so there's no glare if you look at it. It's really nice. Then we have the case. This is the case. You see the color. It's not too bad. Just to help me out to hold it. That I love those chargers. There's no adapter in there, and that was unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Thank you for watching.